Hello everyone! Welcome to Review Infinite, the best product review channel on YouTube today. Today we're here again with another list of 5 best products on the market. These reviews are based on thousands of customer reviews and positive ratings. So, let's make a list of best products in this video.
5 best toggle clamp reviews. Number 5. E-TING new 4PCS hand tool toggle clamp. Suitable for using on circuit boards, welding, mold, machine operation, etc. It is very easy to operate. Its plastic cover handle makes the operation simple and comfortable. Red vinyl hand grip resisted from oil and stain. Brand E-TING. Weight 0.32 ounces. Color red. Dimension 3 x 0.9 x 0.7 inches. Material metal, plastic, rubber cushion. Holding capacity 27 kilograms or 60 pounds. Number 4. E-TING 4PCS hand tool toggle clamp 201B anti-slip red horizontal clamp. Quick release toggle clamp allow instant horizontal grip. Made of cold rolled carbon steel for increased strength and durability. Red vinyl hand grips to resist oil and stain. Rubber pressure tips are adjustable. Advanced mechanism ensures maximum clearance. Brand E-TING. Weight 1.15 pounds. Color red. Dimension 5.9 x 1.4 x 3.7 inches. Holding capacity 90 kilograms or 198 pounds. Material carbon steel. Number 3. Partek 20335 vertical quick release toggle clamp. It has a rock-solid grip that helps to install it on movable bases, jigs, or tool fixtures. Cold-rolled carbon steel construction for added durability. Zinc-plated coating prevent it from corrosion. It can hold up to 500 pounds. Brand Partek. Weight 10.6 ounces. Model 20335. Size 2-pack. Dimension 6 x 6 x 3 inches. Material multi. Number 2. Power hand tool 302F toggle clamp. Quick release toggle clamp allows quick and easy grip. Plastic cover handle helps to make your operation safe and comfortable. Cold rolled carbon steel construction ensures durability. Zinc plated coating resist corrosion, and red vinyl hand grips resist oil and stain. Brand X-Power. Weight 10.6 ounces. Model RM1000006. Dimension 6 x 2.1 x 2.5 inches. Clamp height 3.94 inches. Number 1. Partek 20327 horizontal quick release toggle clamp. Low height design and advanced mechanism helps to provide maximum clearance. Constructed by cold rolled carbon steel for increased durability. Zinc-plated coating make it corrosion resistant. Retracted clamp makes vertical removal very simple. Brand, Partek. Weight, 1.15 pounds. Model, 20327. Color, red silver. Dimension, 6 into 6 into 3 inches.
All the products are available on Amazon, and we listed down their Amazon links in the description. Check them out to know which one is best suited to your needs. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching it till the end. Hope you liked it and all your confusions have been cleared up. If so, then go and give a thumbs up. If you are new, consider subscribing to our channel for our future video notifications. We review all sorts of products based on our audience demand to make your decision easier. Please let us know which product you owned from the list and why. Also, let us know if we missed any of your favorite products which deserve to be here. Put the name of your products that you want to be reviewed by us in the comment section below. As always, we put the links of these mentioned products in the description below. Check them out for their best prices and details. We are not permitted to mention the prices in this video. So, cheers with the best one!
Share this video please.